up, guys? Mike here. Today I got a special stock for you guys that I have traded several times. Sometimes I even made over 100% return on this stock, and this stock has already become one of my favorite stocks to swing trade, and this stock is none other than Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. If you are well known to this channel, you know I have traded this stock several times in this channel. I've told you guys to buy, sell calls, and wait for it to explode. And we have traded this stock several times very successfully. And hopefully we're going to be doing that again several more times in the future. But today is another day that we're going to just start from here. Anyways, I have been building a position in this stock. SPCE is a definitely stock of the future. It is a future space exploration stock. And if you guys do not know about that, it is something you should be looking into. Kathy Wood is adding it to her Arkx ETF portfolio. We're going to go over a lot of things regarding this stock, and we're going to go over some of the charts. We're also going to do some options that you can try on this, and we are also going to be going over some technical analysis as well. Anyways, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. With that said, make sure you always smash that like button. Whoops. Hit subscribe. Also, check out my Patreon page. We are always ahead of the game before I make videos. Pretty much most of my members are getting the stock before you guys. So if you want to be part of that, check out the link in the description below and join my Patreon page so you guys be able to add the stocks I'm adding ahead of everyone else. So check that out. Anyways, guys, with that said, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what's going on with Virgin Galactic on stockcharts.com, ticker symbol SPCE. And what I really like and enjoy about stocks like this is when they start trading sideways, all right? Stocks like this start trading sideways, and then they go into a breakout formation. And right now, SPCE is trading sideways. Look at that. It is trading perfectly aligned these lines. All right, this was what really intrigues me, that it could follow its pattern perfectly, and it is holding on support levels very well right now. Support is really well. It's doing phenomenally and fundamentally and technical analysisly, if you want to look at it. It is holding support level and is just going bullish little by little, day by day. Not a lot every day, but it is slowly going bullish. MACD, look at that. MACD just crossed over like several times, which is funny. TSI, same thing. Histogram is right about to shift to the other side and become very bullish. Look at that. This is beautiful. I love when a stock trades sideways, right? Histogram is about to get bullish. Look at those tiny spikes just sticking its head out slowly and slowly. I love it. All right, so this is the whole plan. You know, you want to trade stocks in stages. Look at this beautiful stage 2 breakout. Then you go stage 3, stage 4. Then you get another stage 1. Then you get a huge stage 2 breakout. Then we get another stage 3. Then an indestructible, this was just like stock market collapse, stage 4 breakdown. And it quickly went sideways and traded up. And finally, we have our stage 4, and now we are back into a stage 1 formation. All right, now stage 1 is pretty much a zone where you can start loading up once you get a signal to load up, and this is pretty much stage 1. Right, I tell a lot of guys, start selling around 50 70 RSI. It is going to go down, and this was your point to sell. All right, you had plenty of time to sell this over 70 RSI. A lot of people were greedy. I don't understand. I personally sold all my shares around 55, 60 because it was just too high. Like, it hit 62 and it bounced really hard fast down, and then it went down here. Let's check what the price is right here. It went to 60 again, and it started dropping, and I knew it was time to get out, right? I just had to sell all my shares, and I got out. I'm just right now building my position in this slowly, and I am very excited. It is trading sideways, which is perfect, exactly what I like about a stock, and it is bullish already, right? It's going slowly uptrending every day. If we check out it on tip ranks, it is telling us this is worth a minimum of $37. A lot of analysts are saying it's worth from 37 up to a high 50, all the way to the low 20s. So we got a 22% upside trade here. I think that we're going to hit at least, let's see where we can target this stock, right? Right now, I think it's a buy. This is where I am buying pretty much. I am loading up around the $30 range. And if you guys want to take the minimum, I think 36 will easily be achievable to get this. But I'm going to previous highs, and previous highs says around $47 is the target. All right, this is where I'm going to be unloading a lot more shares. 36, if I see a huge decline, I might start getting out. But I think this is just a minimum to get there. We just need to break this. This is just resistance. Once resistance is broken by 36, easily we can go to 40 and then 47. Easily achievable over here. We got a little few bumps on the road around 40 to 42, but I think 47 is doable. Of course, you guys know Cathie Wood has just built positions in her Arkx ETF. We're going to go over that right away. So if you guys check out the ARK Invest, Arkx is the Innovation Space Exploration ETF that Cathie Wood just released this week on Monday. And if we look at it here, Virgin Galactic is a holding of hers. She actually is starting to load up on shares. Look at that. She already loaded up 220,000 shares recently. She is building up her position, and she is building it up very quickly. On Monday when I saw it, it was only around like 1,200 shares, and this is about 2% of the portfolio, and it is growing rapidly. She is really like adding shares pretty heavily. I called out Boeing was going to be another one that was going to be on this video. I also said Lockheed would be another one. And, of course, we also said SRIC would be another one added. SPR is definitely another one. Boeing and SPR pretty much go hand in hand. I was disappointed in some of the ads she did. It just didn't make sense. Some of these don't even have to do anything with exploration, right? Like Netflix. What does Netflix have to do? Workhorse? Like, come on. Workhorse is like complete trash. And some weird stuff she added to this. But anyways, what we're looking at is Virgin Galactic, top 20 holding about 2% of the portfolio, $6.8 billion worth of investment for her, and it is just going to be taking off from here. I'm pretty sure she's going to continuously add some more shares from here, probably until the fund reaches around 1 million shares in different asset levels, right? So we got a long way to go. I think SPCE has pretty much a long way to go. Today was a nice bullish run. It started around 31.60, and then it started dropping for the rest of the day, and it was trading sideways, which is good. I like this. I like the stock trading sideways. I want it to do that. If it takes off too fast, a lot of people don't get to load up enough shares, and it's gone, right? I didn't get a chance to load up. I started loading up yesterday. This is when I started to tell my Patreon members to load up. We all started loading up yesterday around $30. And we've just been adding, right? We've been adding heavily. Today was a nice drop around the 30, 20s, 18s. That's where I started going pretty heavy on my loading up zone. And we are just getting ready to explode and wait for this stock to explode to like 36 easily. That should be easily doable. So guys, if you want to trade, check it out. Check SPCE out. This is something that I am very bullish on right now. Charts are telling me it's going to be bullish. RSI level is pretty much dirt level bottom. It's saying it's oversold, and it is going to be going into 70 RSI in any time. I'm not worried about this stock. I'm pretty bullish on it. If you guys want to trade it, check it out. Get in. Don't miss out the run up. All of that is going to be, of course, up to you. But I am just here to tell you guys, I don't want you to miss out the run up with me. And I want you guys to trade this with me and make some profits. Make sure you're always locking in profits, right? Anytime stocks go to 70 RSI, make sure you do lock up profits. It is very important. All right, so moving on to options, make sure you always correctly selecting the correct option menu. And here we are doing buy a call, and the expiration date is going to be July 16, minimum of 3 months out. I always recommend at least 3 months out when you're buying a call. And we're hoping this goes a lot faster than 3 months, right? And I've looked at several option menus, and July was one of the best months I could choose. And there's several options you can choose from. One of them is the $35 call. Another one which has a nice open interest, about 1,500. The next one is 37, which also has 1,500. But my favorite one is the $40 call. It has 2,600 people interested in. And that's what really good. That's really good. You also want to look at volume. If you're really going to do it, choose either the 35 or the 40, because volume is very important to look at, right? Volume is extremely important. Open interest is pretty high, 2,600. Implied volatility over 100%. So you know this stock is going to be very volatile in the option menu. It isn't too expensive either. It's only $3.83. That's pretty cheap, right? For $100 more, you're paying like 130 bucks more. You're paying the $36, which is relatively safe. Sorry, the $37. It's a lot safer if you want to go with the 37, but your open interest and volume is really low on that. So, but the 35 isn't too bad. You're making it a lot less risky. Implied volatility is a lot lower. Make sure you always know when you're buying options, you can lose all your money when you put it into a call. I want you guys always manage your risk. It is highly volatile, this stock, of course, and it is dangerous, and you can lose your money. So make sure when you're buying an option, you do assess your risks. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys and sells there. So if you want to be part of that, make sure to add me on Instagram. But most of that is going to be actually done on my Patreon page. I'm going to be posting a lot of my buys on sells, mostly on the Patreon page. So check it out. Join us if you want to trade with us. Check the link in the description box below. Also, don't forget to miss out on the promotion going on with WeBull. They are giving 4 free stocks, 2 when you sign up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 2 of those stocks, will be worth from $8 all the way up to $1,600. They also have another promotion going on right now where you can get a chance to win $500,000. Also, a chance to win 400 Tesla stocks. Check the link in the description below. Sign up for WeBull. Do not miss out this promotion going on. Also, if you want another free stock, check out FirstTrade. Link in the description below for that one. And of course, finally, if you want another free stock, we have, of course, Robinhood, where they are giving 3 free stocks right now. Check the link in the description box below for that one as well. Thanks again for watching my video. And until next time, make money with Mike.